Arranging a charter flight from Qatar to Goa is not an easy task. Thank you, Valencio and the team, for putting into all the efforts to bring us back to Goa. The entire process was very smooth and at the ease. Thank you so much. Viva Goa.
The evacuation team posing for the camera at the Doha airport. The core team members of the evacuation team. Smiles all around after a lot of hard work. As after a wait of nearly 4 months, we are ready to fly back.
Hey guys, hi, I'm Slenny. I'm one of the passengers who traveled from Qatar to Goa on the 8th of July. Yes, I was stranded in Qatar since February. No job, nothing. I tried a lot of ways. I tried to embassy to come through the any state, but it was not possible. I was losing hopes, and finally here I am in Goa. Thanks to Valencio, thanks to the team in Qatar, thanks to Goan Qatar Association, thanks to Mr. John Disa, Anthea Fernandez, Tina Fernandez, Valencio Rodriguez, and Europe Travels. Thanks you guys, thank you for making it to us. I remember one thing, one of our team members, they said, together we can make a difference. I will always remember this. Thank you guys, thank you so much, so much.
हॅलो गायज, म्हजें नांव तेजान आसा. हांव कतारान आसलेलें जेन्नाच्यान कोवीड स्टार्ट जाला तेन्नाच्यान लायक फॉर 5 months आय वॉज जॉबलेस एंड विथआउट सॅलरी. सो कंपनीन सदांच विचारतालीं आमी की आमकां आमची फ्लायट केन्ना बूक जातली, आमी केन्ना परत रिटर्न वयतली गोवा काय म्हणून. बट कंपनी कडसून असोच रिस्पॉन्स मेळटालो की मे बी आफ्टर ऑगस्ट. बट वी वर जस्ट लेफ्ट आउट. बट एंड ऑफ द जून आमकां एक होप मेळ्ळी की चार्टर्ड फ्लायट अरेंज जाता म्हणून, एंड दॅट इज फ्रॉम मिस्टर वेलेन्सियो रॉड्रिगीस एंड गोवा कतार एसोसिएशन. थँक्यू सो मच की फ्लायट अरेंज करून आमकां थंयच्यान हांगा हाडपाक. आनी हांव आयज गोंया आहा एंड ओन्ली बिकॉज ऑफ यू सर. थँक्यू सो मच. एंड थँक्यू सो मच सावंत सर एंड सॅनी सर, जेणेन इतले एफर्ट्स करून इतले सगळे अरेंज करून आमकां थंयच्यान हांगा पावयलें. थँक्यू सो मच सर. तुमच्या खातीर आमी हांगासर आहा आनी बरे भशेन सेफली पावले. थँक्यू सो मच. थँक्स अ लॉट.
Hi, my name is Zerul Hassan Sheikh. I was the one among the Goans stranded in Qatar who had lost their jobs and was so desperate that we wanted to come back to Goa. Today I am very happy. I am here in Goa. I reached by 8 July flight organized under the banner of Goan Qatar Association with the leadership of John Disa, Tina Ma'am, Andrea Ma'am, Mr. Slaney Lucas, Mr. Savan and European Travels. And from Goa side it was Mr. Valencio, Mr. Altaf, Mr. Sallu, Shweta Ma'am and all others. I would like to say thank you. Thank you guys, thank you everybody, thank you team members for making it a reality, for making it happen, for your help, for your tireless efforts, for your day and night. You all work together to make it happen. And also I would like to say a big thank you to Tina ma'am for helping me way back in Qatar. Tina ma'am, from my bottom of my heart I would like to say Dev Bore Kuru for helping me in other words, and for all your group members Dev Bore Kuru. Thank you.